Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on XVG. Recently, after the breakout from a falling wedge pattern, price and XVG has formed another descending triangle on the daily time frame chart. Now, recently, you can see that for the past several days, since after 2nd of December 2024, the price line is moving inside this descending triangle. By the way, this move is more visible here on the 4-hour time frame chart. You can see that we had a bounce here, rejection, rejection, rejection. Then we had another bounce here. So many rejections, bounce, rejection, and so many more rejections we have here as well. We're still moving very close to the resistance, and you can see that the price line of XVG is testing the resistance more than the support. That can be quite clear signal that eventually the price line can break out the resistance of the triangle rather than breaking down the support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And by the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout, and I was telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a very, very massive rally. And so far, from this over here, you can see that the price on FXBG has rallied more than 1417%, and still a very big move due, and that is the target for the breakout from this wedge. And in today's video, we will also discuss that target as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for XVG that I shared on 19th of November 2024 with my members. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal back move that XVG was completing on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, buying on and the sell targets on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that as expected and as predicted, price and drop down, completed the final leg, and entered the buying zone. Then we had a very nice reversal, and this was almost 37% pump, only on this 2-hour time frame chart. Before that, we got almost 31% pump in the same month of November, and this move I shared on 18th of November 2024. The previous move was shared on 19th of November, and this move I shared on 18th of November. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that which was formed on the 1-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup. Buying on, sell target sign, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal. And within next few hours, it pumped almost 31%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of XVG. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, the price is moving inside this descending triangle. Now the movement is getting squeezed inside this triangle. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon it can break this triangle. For example, if the price and breaks down the support of this triangle, then in technical target for the breakdown from this triangle will be here. That will be approximately at $0.004. But before that, we will have a very long-term support at $0.0045. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support of $0.0045, this level, has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here for several months, and before that has been breaking as support here and resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it can break as a very, very strong support. And in case of breaking out, and I'm expecting that the price end can break out, then target to the upside. For example, if we will have a breakout from here, then target will be approximately at 3.2 cents. And in my opinion, it can also hit this long-term resistance of 3.7 cents as well. And if the price and reaches there, then we can also break out a very long-term uptrend line resistance as well. If you take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line resistance is coming from the month of August 2022. We got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. And again, it can work as a strong rejection point or resistance for the price line. And if you take a look at the next upcoming resistance of 3.7 cents, then you can see that here for several weeks a month, it has been breaking as a very strong resistance. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that move is still due. And that target can be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.